So what I managed to collect in rain, since it only rained a little bit, was like right here it is. Just by putting it in the side, I managed to collect this rainwater. It's not rainwater. Let me see what else. Let me show you. Oh, right here. See the ripples. So yeah, so we got a little bit of rainwater. We're gonna use it all. Okay, so this was a cranberry tree. It was like, I don't know, standing somewhere up here. And what I've done is, with this hammer, started knocking down some of this wood right here, just, you know, trying to break it down. And I got a little bit of chunks. Yeah, so and I put them on these. I fill these up. I have a cocoa shell, and I took them over there. Right. Oh yeah. So what I'm doing, I'm bringing these. I had them over there next door. I don't know if you guys can see them. They're on the floor right there, both of them. But yeah, I'll show you guys. So what I'm doing, I'm bringing these over here. See? So I'm just stacking them here for now. And so yeah, let's go check this out. I'm gonna take the cocoa. Alright, just went over it. Alright, those I got for free. And these I brought them from the backyard. They were next to the tree trunk, so I'm gonna burn them up. It's all minerals. So see, and that's where I dumped the wood chip that I managed to chip off with the hammer. So I'm gonna try to burn them. The ashes of biochar, whatever comes out, or both. So I'm gonna burn this up too. Alright, that's the ones I got for free. So I'm just throwing them over the fence, you know. I'll just show you guys. So I'm just grabbing them. And here, look, I'll show you guys another rain barrel that I have here on this side. So I'm gonna use this a little bit. Yeah. Look. So it's probably goes up to here. Not bad. Couple gallons, you know. Yeah, that's why I could see it. Yeah, it's on this group. So it's like up to here. Not bad, huh? A free rainwater. So got the drip irrigation. I gotta install it later on. But yeah, so what I've been doing, just grabbing them. And I just toss them over the fence. Easy does it. So I'm gonna do those two right there, and then, you know. And then the thing I'm gonna do is empty this one out. It has a little bit of stuff left. Or which one should I empty out actually? Yeah, This one has more. So I'm gonna empty this one out and use it. This one's already empty. So I'm gonna use this one. And the green one and this one empty. I'm gonna fill them up. So alright. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get the truck. And you guys know, since I brought this up, I still have it. Look, it's nice, it's here. So I'm gonna get the truck. I'm gonna back it up into the driveway, right? So I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna back it up. Then I'm gonna get these trash cans, the black one and then the green one. Put the truck here on the driveway, and then start filling them up. Start filling up the trash cans. Yeah, and then I'm gonna roll them through here and all around. I'm gonna roll them in and through the house to the backyard, and then fill up the black containers, the barrels, and that's how I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna show you guys, but yeah, I'm just kind of showing you guys what I'm doing so far. And I finally set up my drums, kind of tuning them. You guys can see how they sound. Sound alright. They're old. I haven't played with them for many years, so I'll probably have to go to Guitar Center and yep. Alright, so that's what I, gotta work on it. But yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do.